I'm going to show you how to create a gorgeous New Year's Eve celebration in your house. Hey everyone, my name's Alberti and I love to decorate. We all know that New Year's celebrations are going to look different this year. Instead of getting all dressed up and going out, you might be opting for staying in with close family and friends. We're going to show you how to create a beautiful tablescape that's worthy of a celebration for New Year's Eve, and you don't have to do that much to get there. When it comes to a centerpiece, I always opt for fresh flowers. It's literally bringing life to the table. You've got height, you've got color, and because we chose these lilies, you've got a delicious aroma. But this looks like every day, and it's New Year's Eve, so we want to do something special. We're gonna create layers and light using micro fairy lights. Take a larger vase, and then on the inside, hide your battery box amidst all of these little river rocks. Take your flowers, place them in the vase. You want to make sure that it's stable. And then simply weave in those fairy lights. And you see this dance of light and this sparkle. It looks like stars on the table. And there you have it, a gorgeous arrangement that's perfect for New Year's Eve. When it comes to your place setting, we want to bring out all the glam. Metallics are going to do that for you every single time. Silver and gold, yep, you can mix them together and they work really well, whether it's incorporated in your flatware, in your stemware, or even in your plateware. Layers always equal luxury. What we did is we started with a placemat, then layered in a beautiful charger, added in our large dinner plate, a salad plate, layered the bread plate over top, and then of course finished off the whole look with a beautiful crystal encrusted napkin ring and then your gold flatware. For large and small gatherings, it's always nice to have a beverage station or a dessert station. Because this New Year's Eve is small, I decided to combine both. Whether you're chilling your Prosecco, displaying your stemware, or even here in this case, having beautiful party favors that act as desserts, they also make the evening that much more festive. Now that looks pretty good, but something's missing. Voila! Candlelight makes everyone look better around the table, and it ties right into our New Year's theme of light and metallics. We used elements of beautiful fresh flowers, light not only in the vase, but also of course in our candlesticks. Then we used beautiful stemware and accents of gold that make everyone feel ready for a celebration. If you like what you saw, please click like and subscribe. And remember, if you want any of the elements on our table, you can get them at qvc.com.